began in 1948. But why was this conflict called an emergency? Well, officially, the colonial government didn't want to admit that they were at war. This certainly suited the British owners of the Malayan lucrative rubber plantation and tin mine owners, who were insured through losses incurred through theft, but not for those in wartime. The conflict had its roots deep in post-World War II economic and political dislocation of Malaya, and the sense of alienation among the Chinese community in particular. So after World War II, many of the Chinese people decided to fight for the independence of Britain and used the military arm of the Communist Party to launch their offensive against the British rule. Britain wanted to give Malaya its independence, but not on the terms of the communist-backed rebels. So, as it has done so in many other cases, it called on New Zealand for help. From 1908 to 1960, New Zealand soldiers, servicemen, and airmen, both as military personnel and as members of the Malay police, made a significant contribution to the Commonwealth effort. Sadly, 15 New Zealand servicemen lost their lives in Malaya over this time. The jungles of Malaya were dense and dangerous, and a perfect hiding place for the communist rebels. They would often threaten and attack local villages known as kampongs, forcing the villagers to provide them with food, shelter, and supplies. These actions often caused starvation and death among the local tribespeople. The rebels were largely and ultimately